You spent real money getting that customer to buy from you. And then they buy, and you send them a receipt. That's it. Here's the thing. A thank you email sent within 24 hours of a purchase is one of the cheapest ways to bring someone back. Most small business owners either skip it entirely or send something so generic it gets deleted. AI can help you fix that with a short, genuine email that sounds like you and gives people a reason to come back. Keeping a customer costs a lot less than finding a new one. You already did the hard part. A well-timed thank you email is just a nudge that reminds them why they made a good choice. It can include a small discount, a soft ask for a review, or just warmth that makes your business stick in their memory. But here's the honest limitation. Even the best thank you email won't rescue a bad product or terrible experience. The email matters, but what happened before it matters more. Before you open any AI tool, get clear on what you want the email to do. Pick one goal. A good starting place. Thank them genuinely. Remind them in 1 or 2 sentences what makes you different, and include one soft reason to return, like a discount code or a Google review request. That's it. AI writes better when you give it real context. Tell it your business name, what you do, where you're based, what the customer bought, what tone you want, and exactly what you want at the end. Ask it to keep things under 150 words. If you have a brand voice document, paste it in. The AI will match your style. Once you get a draft, ask yourself 3 questions. Does this sound like me? Would I feel good receiving this? Is the reason to take action clear without being pushy? If not, tell the AI what to fix. You can land on something solid in under 10 minutes. Writing the email is only half the job. Make sure it actually goes out automatically. Most email platforms support this. MailChimp's free plan handles it up to 500 contacts. Klaviyo connects to Shopify and WooCommerce, free up to 250 contacts. If you use Square or Acuity, check if they already have this built in. Setup takes 30 to 60 minutes, but it's worth it. Here's one more thing. If your platform tracks what someone bought, use that detail. Thanks for picking up a specific product feels different from thanks for your order. You can write a few versions, one for first-time buyers, one for repeat customers, one for bigger purchases, and set up separate automations for each. You spent real effort getting that customer. A short, warm, specific thank you email, sent automatically, written in your voice, is one of the simplest things you can do to make them want to come back. AI makes writing it faster. Automation makes it happen without you thinking about it. The only thing left is deciding to set it up.